that's us in. Just some finishing mounts today. Bro, literally, I've cut all this up to fuck so I can get it in with the radiator. But give me half an hour, bro, and I'll send you it. Exhaust on, as you can see. Just comes off easy enough. Boom. I've just tack welded it all in kind of place now. I know it doesn't really look buffed back, but I've buffed back to where I need to weld to kind of thing. So that's what it is, but it will be strong once I've fully welded it all. But that unbolts for there as well, so you can unbolt them and then unbolt the engine. Just what you've done with the YFC, and then here you've got a mount here, and the wee bit there I was talking about, so that kind of lines up as well. And then for here, I'm going to try and bolt something like this on there, that comes down and bends into it there. That would be ideal. So it would. I'll get this all mounted in. You can unbolt it for here, at the bottom here. At the back I've made a wee pivot onto the swing arm, and then up in here as well. All it needs tidied up and fucking strengthened as well, but it'll be good to test. A wee 2mm pipe in there, change it all in line, exhaust fits snug, clutch cables perfect out the way. That exhaust didn't just fit in there, in case anybody's wondering, but it's looking good so far. What do you think?